Comfrey is one of those plants that practically wants to spread itself around your garden, and the easiest way to grow more of it is from root cuttings. You do not need seeds, you do not need to buy new plants, you just need a small piece of root and a bit of patience. Here is exactly how to do it. First, you will need to find an established comfrey plant. Dig around the outside of the plant and expose some of the roots. Comfrey roots are thick and somewhere in between the size of a pen and your finger. Cut a piece of root that is around 5 to 8 centimeters long. You do not need a big piece. Even a small chunk with no leaves on it at all will grow into a full plant. Now choose your spot. Comfrey likes a sunny to semi-shaded position with deep soil. It does not do well in waterlogged ground, so make sure drainage is reasonable. Dig a small hole around 5 to 8 centimeters deep. Drop the root cutting in and cover it with soil. Water it in and then mostly leave it alone. Within 2 to 4 weeks, you should see small leaves pushing through the soil. That is your new comfrey plant saying hello. Once it is established, it will grow fast, spread its deep roots down into the subsoil, and start pulling up minerals for you. You can harvest leaves, but do not harvest roots in the first year. Let it build its root system to be strong. From the second year onwards, you can cut it 3 to 4 times a season, and it will keep coming back every single time. 1 plant becomes 2, 2 becomes 4. Before long, you have comfrey growing all over your garden, working for you around the clock. And it all started from a piece of root smaller than your finger.